Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a delicious Jamaican curry chicken recipe. If you want to see how I make it step by step, keep on watching. Here I have my chicken already cut into my desired pieces. Then I'm going to be washing the chicken with vinegar and lemon to clean it before seasoning. Next I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil to help the seasoning stick. After that I'm going to be adding some salt and black pepper. For extra flavor, I'm adding some all-purpose and some onion powder. After that, I'm going to be adding some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and some Jamaican curry powder. Once I've added that, then I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh seasonings. I'm going to be adding some onions, scallion, ginger, garlic, and thyme. And I'm also going to be adding some pimento seeds. I rub everything in really well, making sure every piece of the chicken is fully coated. Once that's done, I cover the chicken and let it marinate so all the flavors can come together. You can marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes or overnight if time allows. Before I start cooking, I clean and sanitize my sink and my workspace. I'm starting by adding some oil to my pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, I add the curry powder and let it burn for a few seconds to bring out the flavor. Now I'm adding the seasoned chicken pieces and giving everything a good mix. I cover the pot and allow the chicken to steam so it can release its natural juices. While that is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the kettle on so I have some boiling hot water ready for when I'm adding the trimmings. After about 15 minutes of cooking, I added boiled water to the remaining trimmings and poured it back into the pan. I covered it and let it cook for approximately 10 more minutes, then added my carrots to finish everything off. I allow that to simmer on low heat for a further 10 minutes. Once it's finished, you can serve that with white rice, rice and peas, or some good old Jamaican ground provisions with dumplings, or any traditional side you might like with your curry chicken. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.